Good morning guys, Christina here at Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink. Today I'm going to go over a quick video on how we produce Popeye's roll-to-roll labels. For this video we are going to do a continuous roll. So we do have our material loaded. The first thing you want to do if you're printing continuous is you want to pause the machine. You want to send your first group and then you want the second group to come afterwards. So if you hit print and don't have this paused, it'll just start printing. So we're going to come over here. We have our file pulled up. We're going to say print. I'll go through all these specifics with you, but they will also be in Trainual. So we are on our Afinia. We're producing at actual size. We're going to go into properties. We want this to be on portrait. We're printing on a matte coated label and it's our 2.5 by 2 1-up size. The next thing we're going to go into is our offset. So we have this at negative 0.30 and negative 3.20. We are selected our interlabel gap. That means there is a gap between labels. It's not a continuous sheet. And for multiple job queue, like I said, we're going to print roll to roll. And we also have these offset adjustments on the side here. I'll take a screenshot and put it in Trainual, but we're at 0 here, negative 0.50, negative 0.20, and negative 1. Alright, so just for video purposes, we're going to send 5, and since we are on roll to roll, multiple job queue, and the machine is paused, it's not going to print right away. And then we're going to send another 5 just so you can see how it works. Alright, so we're going to come over here. Normally we would have a core set up on here. And we would feed it to that, but since we're only printing 10 labels, we can just print them. So we're gonna click play here. And it goes through a cleaning cycle, so we will be right back. Alright, so we're back. Alright, as you can see, it's printed our 10 labels. In the next video, I'll show you how to tack it onto a core.